So I heard the most horseshit thing today. So I went to math class today. It was the first day of class. And then we're going through our schedule and everything, and it says you have to do your homework and quizzes online, that's alright, I can do that. The way it comes out is you have to pay to use the program for online for them to grade you. But I already paid for the class, so I paid for the class. So it's like you go to and the quizzes and the homework is only 35%. Those aren't the main tests. The main tests have to be done in class, and those are 60% and 5% for attendance. So basically, it's like you're like taking an engineering exam to get your engineering license. You go there, you spend $500 for the test. You go in there, and then all of a sudden they're like, you go in there, you're doing all the questions. There's only 65 questions. And that person's like, well, if you want the other 35 questions, you have to give us $200, or the greatest grade, the highest possible grade you can get is a D. It is impossible to get an A. You have to get a D. It is impossible. I'm like, what kind of horseshit is that? That's like the most like offhanded swindle I can think. Like, what the fuck? That's bullshit. I shouldn't have to. I paid so that I would have the full possibility of getting 100%. Even if I didn't have a book, I'd still have the possibility of getting 100%, getting an A. But with this, it's impossible to get an A. It's like your highest possible grade, even if you Einstein, like Isaac Newton, every single math test, like 100%, the highest possible grade is a D. So it's like, okay, you got a D, now you look like a dumbass on your GPA, even though you just destroyed every single math test because you have to pay to use homework on certain quizzes online. That should be optional anyways. You should just be given that because you paid to be graded for that. It's like you pay the school for them to grade you. It's like I've already paid for it. Why should I have to pay again just so I can receive my other 35% of my grade? That's totally stupid. What the fuck?